Have you been wondering on how to have your own CapCut on your PC, on your computer? Worry no more, because in this video I'll be taking you step by step on how to have your own CapCut on your PC. It's super fast and easy. So watch from the beginning to the end so you know how to download and install CapCut on your PC for free without not much effort. So please, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, I am Learn with Dami. So please do well to subscribe so you not be missing amazing videos that I will be uploading on this channel. And if you are my returning subscriber, I say a big thank you to you for always coming back. With no further delay, let's go into the video.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life.
So welcome everyone. So I'm going to be showing us step by step on how to install a CapCut on your PC or on your computer. So just go to your browsing site. Now I'll be using Chrome. For this tutorial I'll be using Chrome. You type in CapCut for PC, then just press enter, then come to this place that said how to download CapCut for Windows. How to download CapCut for Windows. Just press on it and allow it to load. Boom, it has loaded. Then you will see this interface. After this interface, press download for free. Then you allow it to download on your system. It's so super easy and quick. Now it's downloading. So it's telling us that we only have 2 steps. So now it's downloading. You just wait patiently for it to download. Now it's done downloading. Then you save it on as an application on your PC. Then when it's done downloading, click on it. Then it will ask you if you want it to run on your device. Just press this yes. Then it will load. Then it will automatically install on your PC and you'll be able to use CapCut on your PC. When it has finished downloading, you see it on your desktop, on your screen like this. Just click on it. Click on it. So it's loading. So this is the interface of CapCut. This is how it will look if you have not been using CapCut before. It will look empty, but if you have been using CapCut before, this is when you see your various past work that you've done on CapCut. But if you have not used CapCut on your PC before, it will show it empty. So it won't bring anything in this project. So if you are ready to start a project, just click on new project. Then it will open up. Then it will open up for you. So please, this is how to install CapCut on your PC. It's so super easy and fast. Just follow this step by step video to install your own CapCut on your PC. And please stay tuned because I'll be dropping more videos on how to start using CapCut on your PC. This also will be a step by step tutorial. It will be a beginner friendly class, a beginner friendly video. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching from the beginning to the end. I'm glad that you watched up to this moment. And please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe so you'll not be missing amazing video on this channel. And if you are my returning subscriber, always come back to watch more videos on this YouTube channel, because lots of amazing tutorial with videos will be coming to your view very soon. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, drop your comment, share. Please, I would really like to read comments. If you have any difficulties or anything pertaining to YouTube editing or anything, just drop it in the comment section so I can what film it for you, and we all learn together and grow. Thank you for watching. I say bye bye.